Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 a month by selling your designs online. Now you might be wondering, is it really possible to make money from selling designs? The answer is absolutely yes, and today I'm going to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have your own online store where you can sell your designs on a variety of products from t-shirts to hats and so much more. The best part, you won't have to worry about printing, inventory or shipping. Everything will be handled for you. All you need to do is just create and upload your designs to this amazing website that I'll introduce to you. And here's how it works. Once your store is live, customers can find your products by searching for a type of product that they're interested in. And if your product matches their search criteria, it can appear in their search results. Customers can also directly search for your store if they know your store's name. They'll be able to browse through all your designs, select their favorite, and customize it. After adding a product to their cart, customers can review all the details, including shipping charges, before proceeding to the checkout. And here's the exciting part. Every time a purchase is made, you get paid. This website handles everything and sends you the commission directly. It's that straightforward. This means every sale brings you closer to earning a passive income, and once your store is up and running, there's no stopping you. Even better, you don't need any prior experience with website design or marketing. This platform takes care of everything, so you can focus solely on your designs. So watch till the end of the video because I'm about to reveal you the website that could turn your creative passion into a profitable venture. By following these steps, you can be on your way to making $1,000 a month or even more. So I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To start selling your designs online, we're going to do two parts. The first part is to create t-shirt designs. If you're already good at designing, feel free to skip to the second part. But if you're new to this or not sure where to start, don't worry. I'll show you how to create stunning designs quickly and easily. So to create t-shirt designs, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to generate the prompts for the t-shirt design. Instead of brainstorming ideas for hours, we're going to use an AI tool that will help us generate creative prompts for t-shirt designs in just seconds. To use this tool, just click the link below the video and it'll take you to this page. To generate the prompts, we need to answer a few questions. Start by selecting how many ideas you need. I'm going to select 10. Now if you have a specific design idea or a brand name that you want to include, you can enter that here. I'm going to type music and click create content. As you can see, it has started generating the design prompts, and now we can use these prompts to generate the design images. Okay, now we have our design prompts ready. Let's move to the second step, which is to create the t-shirt design. To create the t-shirt design, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to Leonardo.ai. Now this is the tool that will help us create the t-shirt design. Just click on get started and sign up using your Google account. Now enter your username, click next, and you will reach this page. To generate an image, click on image creation. And here you need to paste the prompt that you generated from GravityWrite. So let's go back to GravityWrite, copy the prompt, and paste it here. Now before generating the image, let's just adjust the aspect ratio to match the t-shirt design. To do that, click More and set the aspect ratio to be 4:3 and click Generate. Now you will get 4 different versions of the design. Pick the one you like and open it. Since we are using the design for a t-shirt, we need to remove the background. So to do that, just click the background removal icon and the background will be removed. You can download it by clicking here. In the same way, you can create as many designs as you want and then download them. Okay, so now you know how to get different t-shirt designs. And if you want to get design ideas for free, you can use ChatGPT. Let me show you how. I've given a prompt in the description below that you can use in ChatGPT to get amazing design ideas. Alright, now that your design images are ready, let's move on to the second part of the video where we'll see how to sell these designs online. Now we're going to use an online platform for this, and it's a popular marketplace created for artists, designers and creators. Here's how it works. You upload your artwork and choose from a wide range of products like t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and posters. The best part, the platform handles everything for you. This includes printing, packaging, and shipping of the products. You just need to upload your design, and when someone buys it, you earn a commission, and it's also free to use. To sell our designs online, we are going to do 4 steps, And the first step is to create an account on Redbubble. This is the platform that will help us create and sell our products. To create an account, just click on the link in the description below and you'll reach the Redbubble website. Once you're on the home page, click on sign up. Now select the artist sign up option. Next, fill in your details. Enter your email address, choose a unique shop name and set a password for your account. Once you've done that, click sign up and you have successfully created an account on Redbubble. Now that you've created an account, let's go to the second step, which is to create new products. To do that, go to the Create Product section and click on Add Designs. Now click on Upload New Work and select the design you've made. Once you upload it, your design will start processing. After a moment, you'll see a preview of your design on several different products, so you can choose which products you want to feature your design on. If you want to sell your design on multiple products, you can easily enable them. For instance, if you want to design on standard print clothing, just enable this button. You can do the same with other products. For example, I'll also enable large print clothing. Now if you want to change how the design looks on each of these products, just click on Edit. And once you do that, you'll see different options to customize your product, like changing the style, color, size, and more. I'm going to adjust the size of the design on this t-shirt. To do this, simply use the slider to resize the image like this. Plus, you can reposition the design wherever you want by dragging it around. If you notice, your design looks small and misaligned, don't worry. Redbubble has a guide to help us adjust the image properly. So just click on this link. Just scroll down, click on Apparel here, and you'll see an image size chart for different products. Since we selected the men's graphic t-shirt, you'll see the required size for the men's graphic t-shirt. Now you can use this guide to adjust the image size of your design so it fits perfectly on the t-shirt. But our design is small, and if we try to resize it, the design is getting pixelated, which is not good. So we need to improve the quality of the design first. So to do that, just click the link in the description below and you'll reach this website called Upscale. Now click here to download the software and choose your preferred operating system. Now here, just drag and drop the design we generated. Click on this option. Now click on Upscale. And there you go. Our design has been successfully upscaled. And if you click and drag the slider, you can notice the difference in the quality of the design. Finally, just click here to download the image. Okay, we have successfully improved the quality of our design. But this upscaled design is still not right for our t-shirt. We still have to resize it to match the required measurements. So to do that, click on the link in the description below and it will take you to this website called Resize Pixel. With this tool, you can easily resize your design without losing any quality. Select the design you want to resize and your design will be uploaded. First, uncheck the lock aspect ratio box and then adjust the width and the height to match the required size of your t-shirt. Then enter the measurements provided by the Redbubble size guide. Once you're done, click Resize. In just a few seconds, your design will be resized. And then click Download Image. Once you got the resized image, let's go back to Redbubble and replace the old image. To do that, simply click on the Replace Image option, upload the image you just downloaded, and your image will be replaced. Now scroll down, and as you can see, the image has been successfully updated on the t-shirt. You can now adjust the size and then change the position of the design if needed. Once that's done, let's start customizing our product. To change the style of the product, click on this drop down and select the style you want. I'm going to choose hoodie. As you can see, our product style has been changed. You might also notice that the size of the design has automatically changed. Let's fix that by increasing the size of the design. Next, to add the color to our product, select your desired color from here. I'm going to select black. Now our product looks perfect. Next, click on this for more customization options. Here, you can select the categories in which you want your product to be listed on and then set your commission rates. I'll select the categories for my product. Now for the commission part, as you can see, Redbubble already provides the pricing for each product. Here you can decide how much commission you want to earn from each sale. For example, I'm going to enter 30% for the t-shirt. Just keep in mind that the higher the commission, the higher the price of the product will be. So think carefully about the commission you add to each product. Once you set it up, click on Apply Changes. And now your design is added to the product with the commission that you selected. Next, we need to enter some details about the product. You can either write the title and description manually, or you can use an AI tool to create the perfect title and description for your product so that it stands out in the store. To do that, just click the link in the description below and you'll be taken to this page. Now we need to enter our design idea here. You can use the prompt you generated earlier to describe the design. So let's head back to the prompt page and copy the prompt we generated. Now paste it here. Once done, click Create Content. And you can see you will get this tailor-made title, description and tags for your product. Now we can use this to fill out the details for our product. So let's copy and paste them one by one. In the same way, I'll enter all the necessary details for the product. Once you're done, scroll down. Now here we need to select the media category. So I'll go with design and painting. And here you need to specify if your design contains mature content. Since it doesn't, I'm going to select no. Finally, agree to the terms by checking this box. And then click on Save Work. And our product is successfully created. As you can see, all the collections we selected for this design have been added to our Redbubble shop. Now that we've successfully created our product, let's go to the third step, which is to set up our store. To do that, click on Return to Dashboard. You'll see the Setup Shop section, which will guide you through all the required steps to set up your shop. So let's go through each step one by one. First, we'll add a profile picture to our store. To do that, click on the Add Profile Picture button. Now click on Choose File and select your shop profile picture from your computer. I'll select this one and click Open. Then click Upload and our profile picture will be successfully added. Next, let's go ahead and add a cover image like this. In the cover image section, click on Choose File, select your cover image and click Upload. And your cover image has been uploaded. Let's now scroll down to add some more details. I'm going to add my first name and the last name here. Next, you can add a brief bio for your shop because this will help the visitors know a little bit more about what we offer. Once you're done, scroll down and click Save Changes. And our changes will be saved. Now our shop is successfully set up and is ready for business. So when a visitor visits Redbubble, they can search for your store by name like Brian Fashion. They'll find your store and when they click on View Shop, they'll see your cover image, profile photo and all the products that you sell. So that's how you can set up your store. Now that our products are added and the store is set up properly, let's move on to the final step, which is to set up the payment method so we can start receiving payments. To do that, go to your dashboard and click on Add your name and address. Now enter your details like street address, postal code, state and country. Once you're done, if you scroll down, you will see the payment currency option. Click on the drop down and select your preferred currency. I'm going to choose USD. Now for receiving payments, you can choose between PayPal or direct bank deposit to send money directly to your bank account. So I'm going to select Deposit to PayPal account. As you can see, we need to verify our PayPal account first. So just click on Connect with PayPal and you'll be directed to the PayPal's login page. Enter your email, click Next, add in your password and then log in. Next, click the Agree and Connect button and your PayPal payment details will be updated. Now let's verify our phone number. Scroll to the phone number section, enter your details and click Send Code. Now you'll get an SMS verification code to your mobile. Just type it in and click Submit. And finally click Save Changes. Once verified, you're all set to start selling on Redbubble. Next, let's head back to our dashboard. And as you can see, we've finished setting up our store and the payment method. Keep in mind, it'll take about 5 days for the account to be fully verified. And that's how you can set up your store and start selling your designs. Now that our store is live and the payment method is all set, let's see how a customer can buy a product and how you'll receive your commission. If they like a product from your store, they'll click on it, choose its style, color and size, and then add it to their cart. And when they click on View Cart, they will be able to view the products. From the cart, they can review the product details and shipping charges. To purchase, they'll click on Checkout, enter the delivery information, proceed to payment, add their payment details, and click on Pay to place the order. Once an order is made, Redbubble handles everything: processing the order, printing the design, and managing the delivery. The customer receives the product on the estimated delivery date. And regarding your earnings, Redbubble sends the payout to your PayPal account 5 days after the order is completed. And that's how you receive the payment for your designs. So now you set up everything to start earning from your designs. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create amazing t-shirt designs, set up your online store, and start earning money by selling your designs on Redbubble. And that's how you can easily earn $1,000 a month by selling designs online. In fact, here's the proof this user has already set up their Redbubble store and is consistently earning money from their designs. The best part is, it's all passive income. Once everything is set up, Redbubble handles the printing, packaging, and the shipping, while you focus on creating more designs and growing your shop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Website Learners for more tips on how to make money online. Also, if you have any questions or need any further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.